Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from your Kucoin wallet in 2025. Whether you're cashing out for everyday expenses or moving funds to another platform, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a verified Kucoin account. This is crucial for security, especially in 2025 when regulations and features might have evolved. You'll also need some USDT in your wallet. If not, you might want to deposit or trade for it first. Always prioritize safety by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account using a secure device and your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Look for icons that show your balances. Step 3. From your asset list, select USDT. You'll see options for various actions, including deposit and withdrawal. Step 4. Click on Withdraw or Withdrawal. This will open a form where you enter the details. Step 5. Input the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, choose the right network, like TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT, to avoid errors. Step 6. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 7. Review all the information carefully. Kucoin might require additional verification, like a security code sent to your email or phone. Step 8. Hit Confirm to process the withdrawal. You'll get a transaction ID, so track it on a blockchain explorer to ensure it goes through smoothly. And that's it. Withdrawing USDT from Kucoin is straightforward, but always stay vigilant against scams. Remember, the crypto world changes fast, so check for any 2025 updates on Kucoin's official site. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, stay safe and trade smart.